When shopping for a power supply, you'll immediately see colorful labels like white, bronze, gold, platinum, or titanium. Many people assume these badges measure quality or performance, but that's not actually what they do. So what do these certifications really mean, and are the expensive ones actually worth buying? 80 Plus Standard. The white certification represents the baseline of modern PSU efficiency. At typical loads, around 80% of the electricity pulled from the wall is converted into usable system power, while the rest becomes heat. These units are commonly found in office PCs, home theater systems, and low-power budget builds using processors like a Core i3 or Ryzen 3 with integrated graphics. For these machines, a white-rated unit is often perfectly adequate. One important thing to understand is that efficiency does not equal quality. A white PSU from a reputable manufacturer can still be more reliable than a poorly designed gold unit. The certification only measures efficiency, not build quality, protections, voltage regulation, or component selection. The downside is that lower efficiency means more heat generation, which often translates into higher fan speeds, more noise, and slightly higher electricity usage over time. 80 Plus Bronze. Bronze is the practical entry point for budget gaming systems and mainstream home PCs. At typical loads, these units reach around 85% efficiency while remaining affordable and widely available. If you're building a machine with a Ryzen 5 9600X or Core Ultra 5 paired with an RTX 5070, RX 9060 XT, or RX 9070, a decent bronze PSU from a reputable manufacturer is often perfectly sufficient. One of the biggest misconceptions among first-time builders is that a higher efficiency rating improves gaming performance. It doesn't. A bronze PSU and a titanium PSU deliver the exact same FPS if both are capable of supplying stable power. The difference is primarily efficiency, heat output, and noise. Another advantage of bronze units is value. Many people dramatically overestimate the amount of money saved by moving to higher efficiency levels. For a gaming PC used only a few hours per day, the yearly difference on your electricity bill is often surprisingly small. 80 Plus Silver. Silver has become one of the rarest certifications in the consumer market. The efficiency improvement over bronze is relatively small, while manufacturing costs approach those of gold-rated units. As a result, most manufacturers simply skip silver altogether. Today, you're far more likely to encounter silver units inside older systems, pre-built office machines, or leftover inventory than in a modern custom gaming build. This effectively turned silver into a forgotten middle ground. For most buyers, the choice is usually bronze for maximum value or gold for a more premium experience. 80 Plus Gold. Gold has become the default recommendation for most gaming PCs and enthusiast systems. Reaching roughly 90% efficiency at typical loads allows these units to waste less power as heat, resulting in quieter operation and cooler internal temperatures. This is the sweet spot for systems built around processors like the Ryzen 7 9800X3D or Core Ultra 7 paired with GPUs such as the RTX 5070 Ti, RTX 5080, RX 9070 XT, or similar high-performance hardware. Because less energy is lost as heat, many gold-rated units can run semi-passively during light workloads, keeping the fan completely off while browsing the web, watching videos, or doing office work. Gold has essentially become the standard recommendation because it balances price, efficiency, acoustics, and availability better than almost any other tier. For most gamers, this is where diminishing returns begin. 80 Plus Platinum. Platinum pushes efficiency slightly higher, reaching roughly 92% at typical loads. While that sounds impressive, the real-world difference compared to gold is often much smaller than most people expect. Where platinum starts making sense is in systems that spend long periods under heavy load. Video editing workstations, rendering machines, AI development systems, and other professional workloads can run at high utilization for hours every day. Under those conditions, even a small increase in efficiency reduces heat generation and lowers electricity consumption over the lifespan of the system. Less heat also means cooling fans don't need to work as aggressively, which can help keep workstation environments quieter. For gaming alone, however, platinum is usually a luxury rather than a necessity. Most users will never recover the additional purchase cost through electricity savings. Another interesting detail is that power supplies are typically most efficient at around 40 to 60% load. That's one reason experienced builders rarely buy a PSU that exactly matches their system's maximum power draw. A gaming PC expected to consume around 500 watts under load will often be paired with a quality 750 or 850 watt unit, keeping the power supply comfortably within its most efficient operating range, while also leaving room for future upgrades and temporary power spikes from modern graphics cards. 80 plus titanium. Titanium represents the highest efficiency tier commonly available to consumers. In addition to achieving around 94% efficiency at typical loads, it introduces a unique requirement that most other certifications ignore. Most power supplies become noticeably less efficient when a computer is sitting idle. Titanium units must maintain extremely high efficiency even at very low utilization levels, including around 10% load. Achieving these numbers requires significantly more advanced power conversion circuitry, tighter engineering tolerances, and more sophisticated internal designs, all of which increase manufacturing cost. Titanium power supplies are often found in flagship enthusiast systems, high-end workstations, and professional machines that spend long periods running expensive hardware, such as RTX 5090 class GPUs. While the certification itself only measures efficiency, manufacturers rarely invest in titanium designs without also building premium platforms around them. As a result, many of the most advanced consumer power supplies on the market happen to carry titanium certification. For the average gamer, however, the difference between gold and titanium is far smaller than the price difference would suggest. 80 plus Ruby. Ruby is the newest and most extreme efficiency certification, but it exists almost entirely outside the consumer market. Designed specifically for enterprise servers and large-scale data centers, Ruby pushes efficiency beyond 96%, while introducing additional requirements for extremely low-load operation. The reason is simple. Modern AI clusters and cloud infrastructure consume enormous amounts of electricity. A 1% improvement that barely matters on a gaming PC can save millions of dollars when applied across thousands of servers running around the clock. Ruby-certified power supplies are therefore designed for enterprise environments rather than desktop computers. Most PC builders will never encounter one outside of technical articles or data center tours. Conclusion. At the end of the day, the biggest mistake people make is assuming that 80+ ratings measure overall PSU quality. They don't. A great bronze unit can absolutely outperform a poorly designed gold unit in reliability, voltage regulation, and safety. The certification only tells you how efficiently the power supply converts electricity into usable power. For most gaming PCs, bronze remains the budget-friendly choice, while gold has become the sweet spot that most builders should aim for. Platinum and titanium make sense primarily for enthusiasts and professional workloads, while Ruby exists almost entirely in the enterprise world. The Right PSU isn't the one with the fanciest sticker. It's the one that delivers reliable power for your hardware without wasting your money. So, what power supply are you using right now? And do you actually know its 80+ rating? Let me know in the comments, drop a like, and subscribe for more PC guides.